Consider the following system of equations and its graph. Our system of equation and graph has already been made for us, so now we can move straight to question A. What is the solution to the system of equation? Well, we know that a solution by graphing can be found by looking at where the two lines intersect, which is this point right here. So now after looking at your scaling and seeing that we're counting by twos, we know that our x-coordinate is going to be 2 and our y-coordinate is going to be 3 since that is in between the 2 and the 4. So our solution to this system of equation is going to be 2, 3. Moving on to question B, we now need to determine which line belongs to which equation. So we're going to start by converting our equations to slope-intercept form so that we can easily spot which line belongs to which equation. So starting with the first equation, we're going to convert this 3x plus y equals 9 to y equals negative 3x plus 9. Then we're going to do the same thing for the second equation and convert 4x minus 2y equals 2 to y equals 2x minus 1. We got this second equation by first changing 4x minus 2y equals 2 to negative 2y equals negative 4x plus 2. After dividing the entire equation by negative 2, we will have y equals 2x minus 1. So continuing on, we're going to start with our first equation and look for which line starts at positive 9 on the y-axis. So far it looks like line A is going to be equivalent to equation 1. But continuing on, we're going to make sure that our slope follows suit. So our slope is negative 3 over 1, meaning that we're going to go down 3 into the right 1. So starting at positive 9 on the y-axis, we are going to go down 3 and we're going to end up at 6, which matches up with what we see on the graph. We are then going to go from 6 on the y-axis and go to the right 1. So starting at 0 and going to the right 1, that has also matched up with our line on the graph, meaning that 3x plus y equals 9 is equivalent to line A. We are then going to just check with line B to make sure that everything else follows suit. So starting at negative 1 on the y-axis, we have already hit line B and we're going to go up 2 into the right 1. So starting at negative 1 going up 2, we are at 1, and to the right 1, we have now hit another point on line B, meaning that this equation also follows suit, meaning that 4x minus 2y equals 2 is equivalent to line B.